Number one, we have when you study sentences, when you review a full sentence, a full phrase, what happens is that you're not just learning the meaning of the word. Like when you, let's say you found a new word, for example, book. In the old way, so just memorize words, you just would, put the word book in your notebook, just write it down and just memorize the meaning. You're not doing anything when you do this, right? So just one word, it's not, it has no connections with anything, it's just a one word. But what happens when you, study sentences, like you get a full sentence, a full phrase. When you study sentences, you learn grammar unconsciously. Without studying grammar, without thinking about grammar, you're learning grammar, right? For example, let's take an example, an easy example for this. He is a teacher, right? This sentence, he is a teacher. When you study this full sentence or this full phrase, he is a teacher, what happens is you're studying like he is, he takes is, and a teacher, not an teacher. He is, not he are. So you're learning grammar without even studying grammar. So this is really amazing, just studying grammar without even studying grammar. So it's one of the most powerful methods, or one of the most powerful rules of the effortless method, is that you study sentences and not individual words.